I am Brinda and going to do case study on signal flow graph. Signal flow graph is a graphical method of representing the control system using linear algebraic equation is known as signal flow graph. It is abbreviated as SFG. This graph basically signifies how the signal flows in a system. This method of signal flow graph is proposed by S.J. Mason. This helps us to relate the input and output variables of a system in a graphical manner. So some of the terms used in signal flow graph is node. The small points or circles in the signal flow graph are called nodes, and these are used to show the variables of the system. Each node corresponds to the individual variable. Input node or source. The one having branches with only outgoing signal is known as the input node or source. Output node or sink. A node that only contains branches with the entering signal is known as a sink or output node. Both input and output node act as dependent variables. Mixed node. This is known as chain node and consists of branches having both entering as well as leaving signals. Branch. The lines in this signal flow graph that join one node to the other is known as the branch, and it shows the relationship existing between various nodes. Transmittance. The transfer function or gain between two nodes is said to be transmittance of signal flow graph. Its value can be either real or complex. Forward path. A path proceeding from input to output is known as forward path. Feedback loop. A loop which is formed through a path starting from a specific node and ending on the same node after traveling to at least one node of the graph is known as feedback loop. It is noted that in the feedback loop, no node should be tracked twice. Self loop. A self loop is the one which has only single node. The path in such loops are never defined by a forward path or feedback loop, as these never trace any other node of the graph. Path gain. When the signal flows in a forward path, then the product of gain of each branch gives the overall path gain. And loop gain. The product of individual gain of the branches that are in the form of loop is said to be overall loop gain. Non-touching loops. When two or more loops do not share common nodes, then such loops are called non-touching loops. Properties of signal flow graph. The signal from a node to other flows through the branch in the direction of arrowhead. The graphical method is valid only for linear time invariant systems. The signal flowing through a branch is multiplied by the gain or transmittance of that branch. This product is equivalent to the node where the branch is terminating. Another crucial property of signal flow graph is that at any particular node, the value of the variable will be the algebraic summation of the signals coming to that node. The value at the node represent is not affected by the number of outgoing branches from that node. A signal flow graph never unquely denotes a system, as for system multiply graphs can be formed by writing the equations differently. Thank you.